Wow, an actual cryptocurrency is doing good? Let's check it out, guys. I'm going to be talking about Quant today. Now, Quant has been actually doing pretty good compared to a lot of the cryptocurrencies out there today. A lot of them are just nosediving and you showing its real true colors. This one right here has been doing pretty good. Now, when it comes to Quant is in the top 100, has a really big following. So I like that when it comes to this, but its current position, how it did this little small pullback right here, and yes, we're on the weekly, so this is actually even better. This is a good possibility for an entry. Now, I will be waiting about 2 to 3 weeks to see where the next couple candles go, to see where price goes, but so far, this is probably one of the few cryptocurrencies that I think that it can go back to its previous highs. Now, other cryptos pretty much in the dirt, but this one right here, Quant's not that bad. It seems like it can recover from a pretty massive hit from its highs. Like its high was 430-ish down to 102. So whoever bought up there, I feel sorry for you. Like I would have cut my losses a long time ago. But for this right here, like I would be looking at more like a buy stop. Or, if you're looking at cash positions, cool. For me, I'm looking at trading. Now, if I was going to do like a cash position, like a hodl position, this one to me wouldn't be a bad entry. Because, my downside, it can go down to like 91. And if it went down to 91, I'll cut the trade or cut the cash position. But if it hits up to here, that's a really good movement. You're talking about almost 10% higher. 10% higher in the move. So that's not bad. So right now, for me, guys, if I was in cash position, I'll probably enter in current market or wait 2 weeks to see where the next 2 bars go. And if it heads up lower, then I'll watch it. But if it's going to head up higher, so this is why a price alert would be very important to place. And if it goes up a little higher, like 2 green more bars, then I enter in a leverage trade or basic trading account. And then for this right here, for cash position, I'll probably enter in a market after those 2 weeks. It's basically waited out to hit my target profit about, let's say, $145, make it easy. It might have a big deflection after that or run through. But I think since this is such a sensitive area, since there's so much basically history in that area, it might push back down, do a big pullback where it could possibly head back to this consolidation or other highs. Now, that's my plan, guys, of how to, get into this trade right here. If it does keep going to 200, then I would enter, if I'm trading, my trading perspective is this. I'll enter in 2 positions. One have a target profit of the 145 level. Hits my target profit. I'll lock in my trade, my secondary trade, and let that trade run to see if it hits the 200s. If I'm cash positioning, then I'm going to do the same thing. Cash position, exit some of my trade at the 145, enter if it does another pullback right here, and then exit some at my top. To me, it is important to always take profits and not letting people miss big up moves like this. And you miss a big move and it doesn't come back. You miss the opportunity. I know a lot of people who do that since I speak to so many traders about this stuff, and it kind of boggles my mind. Take profits, lock in trades. Not sure your trade, it's fine. You still tap 2 profits. Well, that's my analysis, guys. Let's go to some of the other details. Rank number 42 on 213,000 people's watch list. Currently priced at $102. Worth a $1.2 billion market cap. Now, if you guys want some other, where are you going to trade this at? You can test it here. Let's go to markets here. Or, I think they have a price rating. You guys want to check that out. Also, if you want more information, check out the website, quant.network. Also, if you want to go to the Twitter page, I highly encourage you to check out the Twitter. It's to me, one of the best places to get news for a website. Go to the Twitter page, read more about the cryptocurrency. For me, I always read about the cryptocurrency before trading it or getting involved with it because you just want to see what's happening. Outside of that, guys, check out my website, andrejmcclennan.com. Learn more about my website. I have a lot of stuff on the economy. I have charts, Administrator 4, and for programmers too, who program on MT4. I'm adding some more stuff in there and building a free education on there. So please check that out, guys. But other than that, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.